Listen, these abandoned theme park AI videos are going absolutely viral right now. I'm talking millions and millions of views. One creator's single video hit over 100 million views. And here's the crazy part. At standard monetization rates, that's like $140,000 from one video. Yeah, serious money. I started testing this niche myself, and my first upload got traction way faster than I expected. Now all these gurus caught on, and they're dropping tutorials everywhere. But here's the thing. The real method, they're gatekeeping it behind their paid courses. So today, I'm giving you the whole thing for free. I'm going to show you exactly how to create these abandoned-style AI videos using mostly free tools, how to make them look real instead of fake, how to structure them so the algorithm actually pushes them, and I'm going to reveal a monetization method that doesn't even require you to wait for your own account to get monetized. But here's the warning. If you miss even one step in this process, your videos will look cool, but they'll die at like 300 views. So pay attention. Why is this niche blowing up? Before we jump into the how, you gotta understand the why. Right now, platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts are obsessed with realism. People are burned out. They're tired of filters, cartoons, and over-edited garbage. But when they see something that looks like a real abandoned place, their brain literally freezes. They stop scrolling instantly. They zoom in. They start questioning, is this real or not? That moment of confusion, that's everything. That's why abandoned malls, broken animatronics, forgotten movie sets, empty theme parks, all of this performs insanely well. And here's what most people get wrong. They think these videos go viral because they're creepy. Nope. Dead wrong. They go viral because they follow 3 specific rules. Rule number 1, realism over beauty. If it looks too clean, too perfect, or too AI-ish, people scroll, period. Rule number 2, logic has to make sense. If something in the scene doesn't add up, the illusion breaks instantly. Viewers can feel when something is off. Rule number 3, movement is everything. The human brain is addicted to motion. Static images die in the feed. You need motion. Once you understand these 3 things, this whole niche becomes repeatable. Let me show you exactly how. Step 1. Generate your base images. Go find one of the popular videos in this niche. Take a screenshot of any frame. I'm going to use this Shrek theme park example. Now, open Google Gemini Nano. Look for Nano mode. It's completely free. Upload that screenshot. Go grab this prompt template and copy it. Keep the last part exactly as is. In this bracket right here, put whatever you want to change. Let me show you. I told it to change the character from Shrek to Po from Kung Fu Panda. Watch what happens. Super high quality. Sometimes it adds extra elements you don't want. Just ask it to remove them and boom, it's gone. You can even select Nano again and ask for multiple changes in one go. I told it to change the pants from red to black and add toys on the table. Perfect. You can ask it to generate different angles, add stuff, remove stuff, literally anything you can imagine. Step 2, create your storyboard. One image isn't a video. You need a sequence. Go back to Google Nano and ask for the same scene from a side angle. Then ask for a close-up detail shot. Now you've got a wide shot, a profile shot, and a detail shot. This instantly makes your content feel cinematic instead of lazy. That's the difference between content that gets algorithmic push and content that dies. Step 3, turn images to video. Now we need to add motion. Use Flow AI for this. Upload your first image and make sure you're in the image to video section. Here's the important part. In the prompt, don't describe the character, describe the camera and the space. Ask it to zoom in, add dust particles, make the sunlight brighter, shift the shadows, create floating dust. You're animating the space around your subject, not the subject itself. Do this for all 3 images. Congratulations, you just made a short film. Step 4, edit like a professional. This is where most people fail. Your AI footage looks cool, but it's too clean. You gotta dirty it up. Drop everything into CapCut or Filmora. First, lower the temperature and add a slight green magenta tint. Crush the shadows, add vignette. This creates visual discomfort, and discomfort keeps people watching. Then add mist or fog effects. Not overdone, just enough to add depth. This tells the viewer's brain this is a real movie. How to make money from this? Here's the thing. You don't need to wait months for your own account to get monetized. There are platforms like Profit Profiles where you can straight up buy a pre-monetized TikTok account. Monetization requirements are already completed. You just post and start earning from day one. So that's the whole method. Realistic AI imagery, proper sequencing, intentional motion, professional editing. That's the formula. That's how you make content that actually goes viral and actually makes you money. Try it out and let me know what happens.